Hello everyone, this is Mundan Raghavan. This video we are going to see what is image and how to pull the image from the Docker Hub. In Docker world, Docker image is nothing but a file used to execute a code in Docker container. Or in other words, you can consider Docker images acting like a set of instructions to create a Docker container. It will be acting like a template. In simple words, if you are coming from the programming world, it will be just like a class. By using the class definition, you can create a number of objects or instances. In the similar fashion, by using the Docker image, you can create the different containers with the same type. However, we need to create Docker image or we need to pull the image from the Docker Hub. In order to create the Docker image, you will be writing your Docker file. However, that will be the later part of this series. In this video, we are going to see there are a lot of other images available inside the Docker Hub created by the different vendors and companies. We are going to pull one of those images and we are going to create the containers. So as part of this video, we are going to pull the image from the Docker Hub, where the Docker Hub is the repository of the different images. From there, we are going to pull. So what are the different ways we can pull the images and where do we see the pulled image? So before that, we will go to the VS Code, and here you can see, since we have already installed the Docker plugin, on your left-hand side, you can see what are the images in your local repo. Here you can see the only one repo, which is nothing but Docker 101, which is part of demo we have downloaded or we have pulled at that image. So now let's say we want to see the images in your system. Docker image ls. Here you can see in your repository local, you have, let's say the repository name is Mukundan Docker 101 tutorial, and the image ID, which will be the unique ID for the every image, and when it was created and size of that image. In order to see all the commands for the Docker image, just you can type Docker image. Let's say you are going to pull it, right? So pull it and --help. So here you can see all the possible combinations that you can use along with the Docker image pull. In Docker image pull, so Docker is the main command and image will be the sub command. Let's say what are the subcategory you are going to work, and pull will be your action. So in simple, in Docker, we are using the image as a sub command, and action we are going to do is pull. So now we will go to the Docker Hub. And in generally, you will be just looking for the image that you want. For example, here, if you are looking for the MongoDB, just type Mongo and enter. And you will be getting the list of images that were created for the Mongo. So now here you can see official image from the Mongo. Just click on that. And here you can see the command as well, Docker pull Mongo. Go to the VS Code and type the same Docker. However, we can use a detailed command as well. So Docker image pull Mongo. Enter. So by default, the tagging will be taken care. So by default, the tag will be latest. It is something different from the versions, but however, we will see detailed understanding about the tagging. But in simple, it is just like a tagging with the different versions or say different flavor of the Docker images. After a few seconds, it has been pulled successfully. So you can see pull complete for all the different statuses. And here you can see the Docker IO library /Mongo latest has been downloaded. Just go here on images and refresh. Here you can see the newly downloaded image that you can see here. So this way we can download the images from the Docker Hub. It's not only the Docker Hub, even you can have your own local repo, or even you can have your remote repo provided by your company, or you can create your own repo as well. In simple, we are just getting the images from the different repository. In general, we will go with the Docker Hub. So this is all about how to pull the images from the Docker Hub. Thanks all. Thanks for watching and have a great day.